everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic, healthy snacks that won't ruin your diet. Whether you're on the go or just need a quick pick-me-up, these snacks are perfect for keeping you satisfied without the guilt. First up, we have fresh fruit. Packed with vitamins and fiber, fruits like apples, berries, and oranges are nature's candy. They're low in calories and high in nutrients, perfect for a sweet craving. Next, Greek yogurt is a fantastic option. It's rich in protein, which keeps you full longer, and you can add some honey or fruit for extra flavor. Nuts are another great choice. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are full of healthy fats and protein. Just remember to stick to a small handful to keep your calorie count in check. Veggie sticks paired with hummus are a crunchy delight. Carrots, celery, and bell peppers are low-calorie options that pair perfectly with creamy hummus. Air-popped popcorn is a whole-grain snack that's low in calories. Skip the butter and try seasoning with herbs or nutritional yeast for a tasty treat. Hard-boiled eggs are simple yet satisfying. They're packed with protein and can be seasoned with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Craving something sweet? Dark chocolate is your friend. Opt for a small piece with at least 70% cocoa for antioxidants and a rich flavor. Avocado toast is trendy for a reason. Spread ripe avocado on whole grain bread for healthy fats and fiber. Edamame is a protein-packed snack that's easy to prepare. Just steam and sprinkle with a bit of sea salt. Finally, smoothies are a versatile option. Blend your favorite fruits with spinach or kale for a nutrient boost. Add a scoop of protein powder for extra filling power. There you have it, 10 healthy snacks that won't ruin your diet. Remember, snacking can be part of a balanced lifestyle. So enjoy these options and stay on track with your health goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more healthy tips and recipes.